Hey everyone, so today we are doing a very exciting video. You guys, I don't know, as usual, if the title encompasses everything this video is going to be, but I am so excited for this. Okay, so if you guys have been following my channel for a while, you know I did a major move into a whole new place where I kind of studioed it up, like the backgrounds. I tried to get it to be a little bit more aesthetically pleasing to the eye. Now, before I was here, I had a little room in our house, basically, which was awesome because before that, I just filmed in my room. Obviously, just like a lot of other YouTubers, film in your room. So I was lucky to have this little like filming room. Now I get into it a little bit later in the video, but I don't need that filming room anymore because I have all of these rooms. So I decided I wanted to make it into a spare bedroom, but like this is a really exciting thing to show you guys because I don't think I've ever even shown you guys the behind the scenes of that room, because seriously, that room was densely packed. It had the little area where I would film lots of videos, like my prom dress videos you guys probably remember were filmed there. The startup of the Wish videos that I don't do as many of anymore. And then also on the other side, there was all of the like prep, the part that you didn't see. Now I show it in the video, but it's like I had all the supplies, the planning, the makeup, all the cameras and equipment, and then the filming setup. And I actually only painted 2 of the walls white because I knew the other ones wouldn't get seen. It was just like exactly what I needed right then. So okay, let's get into it. Guys, so we are out and about. We're getting stuff for the transformation from my filming room to a spare bedroom, basically, because it's a little bit of an eyesore how I left it. So the idea I have for it is kind of like a retro sort of thing. We might paint a wall orange. So we're gonna go into HomeSense right now and just see if we can find some cute stuff.
I think we can.
I think we can too.
Compliments orange. They're opposing colors.
Ooh, Mom, this is the one I got for you.
Yeah! I love it so much.
The one I was looking for is gone.
It might be somewhere else though. It might still be here. We gotta look through everything.
See, their commercials are right. If you don't get it right then, it's gone. I'm in heaven. So beautiful.
That would be cute. Filled up and then the makeup brushes in it.
Oh my god.
Can be tall.
Alright, we were done like an hour ago. And my mom's car's battery is dead. And it's like so cold outside, so we're just back inside waiting for a boost.
Testing out these chairs.
We got everything we need, so now we just gotta decorate. Well, hello! Welcome to the YouTube room where this channel was not birthed out of, but when the level hit and went up, basically this is the room that I made a lot of the videos that started and kind of like launched my channel into where a lot of you guys probably would have discovered it. So this room means a lot to me. I remember when we moved into this house, and I remember being so excited to get my own room for filming because I used to obviously just film in my bedroom. So this was like an isolated room for all the storage, all the videos, all the planning, all the editing. It was all done in this room. So this is where the video magic happened. But now, as you guys know from my moving in series, I got a studio where I kind of like have designated filming rooms, and it's more set up with cameras and lighting and just more to the production value that I like. So this room has kind of became a catch-all room. As you can see, it is a mess. Definitely a huge mess. I'm not gonna lie, when I was filming in here, it pretty much was this messy beforehand. It never really was super clean just because it is hard to film in one corner, have all the supplies in another corner and all the makeup in the other corner, but it worked great while it did. But now I think that this would serve better as a spare bedroom. So we're gonna be turning this into a spare bedroom. We have grandparents coming, we've got people coming at Christmas that need a room, and this room is not suffice anymore. So I will just show you guys around. This is where I used to film. As you can see in that corner, I have one big box light up in that corner, and that's what used to supply the light, that and a ring light hanging from the roof. And this is where I used to film. You guys remember my hangry sign Up in this corner, there used to be an Alex 9 drawer. This is where I started my try-on videos, my little desk. I did a lot of editing there. Some nice pictures from Tati's party. And then here's my little bean table. I remember you guys always thought my bean table was kind of funny, but like I fit right in here so good. The amount of slime I made at this table, much. And now, okay, this is probably a part you guys didn't see much of. This little unit that my parents made and this was to hold all of my supplies. So at a certain time there would be a ton of boxes in here labeled kind of like this one, wearing $5 clothing off Wish for a week. That video never ended up being made. So we've got a lot of things like that in here. See, lots of Wish clothes that never did reach the internet. And that leads us onto this sign. So on this sign was all my like ideas, and I still haven't done all of them yet, but there was a lot that I did, like styling my strawberry wig. I did that. 2000s makeover we did. Styling my mom. Wearing Walmart for a week. That's where a lot of the ideas came from, and I would write them on there, and I'd spend like hours in here just brainstorming and planning. So this room was everything. It's like not sad for me to remake the room, honestly, because I have something that works better for me now, but I will say honestly, like this room was awesome when I was using it. And then over in this corner, which has a lot of stuff, makeup. This is a camera that I actually bought. The ADD, and now I know it sounds weird to just have a camera sitting here, but I could never figure out the like color correction on this thing, so I'm actually gonna take this because my brother's friend said he could figure it out for me. So we're gonna do that. But yeah, this is basically a big walkthrough of the room that made this channel what it is now. I love this room, and hopefully it turns into a nice spare bedroom, and we got to get cleaning because there's a ton of stuff in here. So let's roll! Now that this is pretty much empty, my dad is gonna go at it, and he's gonna take down these shelvings just because we don't need them. Like, they were built to store my stuff. Alright you guys, this room is all clean. My dad got that off the wall. He destroyed the wall a little, but not all the way. So we just have to fix it a bit. So we're probably gonna do some crack filling, but the real massacre is going on outside of this room because we are organizing everything. You guys saw a bit of it, but like, it's taking a while. Hello. It's taking a while. There's a lot of stuff to be organized out here. Lots of things that I've been hoarding. I'll admit it, I did, but we're going through that. So the room's good. Probably just gonna do some crack filling and then, well, howdily doodly. We are here, we're back, it's Monday. We are going to finish up the room today. We gotta paint. I gotta organize all the stuff out here. You guys probably aren't gonna see a lot of that, but like, oh my goodness, it needs to get organized. There was a lot of stuff to be donated. A lot of stuff to be sorted. Ooh, here's what I was looking for. I want to put these slippers on. My feet are cold. But yeah, so today we are going to paint and then we're going to decorate the room and hopefully it will be all done. I'll show you guys really quickly. Here is what the room is looking like. It's very echoey now. So I probably told you guys, but there's 2 taupe walls, 2 white walls, and I'm going to be painting these 3 walls white and that wall orange. So we're doing something a little bit more fun today. Not just all white, we're doing an orange wall. And this wall, let's see how this was set, because this was pretty bumpy. Oh yeah, that's gonna have to get sanded, obviously, but should be good. So let's get painting. So now we've got the walls drying, the white. So now it's time for the color. Oh wait, that's white. Hold on. we've got the color. Let's see what we got in here. You guys know I don't paint with color that often. So this is exciting stuff. Very, very fun color, you guys. It's kind of like a retro orange. So we're gonna get to painting that wall. We don't know how many coats it'll take over taupe, but we're gonna find out, I guess. Let's roll. Goodbye, taupe. Goodbye, taupe, I hate you. Oh. Alright guys, the painting is all done. Here we are. Oh my gosh, it gets so echoey when we get in here. But look at this. We've got a few things to clean up off the floor. But look at this bright orange wall. I've never painted orange like this. Then we've got the other white walls. These ones were already a little white, but this one was taupe. So it's done. And I haven't even mentioned this, but we're using some vintage furniture I got from my grandma. I will show you guys it in a minute. Nice. Nice. All right, you guys, we're gonna bring in the rug. You're gonna see where the orange comes in because this is kind of a crazy rug. So just one sec. Ooh. Oh yeah. Fun rug time. I really like it. This is a neat rug. This is neat. This is a neat room. It really is. This is a color I never normally would paint. It's fun. It's bright and it puts you in a good mood. I was just gonna say, it's cheerful. It is cheerful. Yeah. Check it out, you guys. Got a fun geometric bed for this fun room. Hi, doggone tweaked my back. It's really comfortable, isn't it? Yeah, this rocks. Looks good. It reminds me of iCarly. I don't know why. I feel like she and I had orange or something.
I love that color of orange.
Me too. We just finished the bed.
With the place.
We just finished the bed and you're actually here a great time because we have to lift the heavy stuff in. Grandma's old
dresser.
Alright, so if you guys saw my grandma's renovation that we did, she had mid-century from legitimate mid-century furniture. And so I asked her afterwards if I could take it. She said yes, so it's gonna go in this room. It's kind of what inspired the orange wall. So the first dresser is gonna go right here. It's really tall. We're gonna play into the fact that it's mid-century. It's got the angled legs and everything. So it's super heavy though. Cute?
It's really cute.
Oh my gosh, I love it. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, it's so fun in here. It reminds me of Austin Powers. We're gonna hang this mirror really quick. This actually did have a mirror, but I like this one more, the wood. And then I'm gonna make a few picture frames up for over on that wall over there. And then we're gonna put the bedding, all the decorations, and it'll be done. So this is like no other room we've made, you guys. We're vining out, vining out. Alright guys, so I just decided to change my shirt because I feel like it matches the room now. We were going for like a mid-century, modern, groovy kind of look. So I'm just gonna show you guys what we came up with. Oh my gosh, okay, so much fun. First things first, elephant in the room, I'm staring right at it. I have this cluster wall with no pictures in it. I am gonna print black and white pictures of my family, but they aren't in there yet. Now, most exciting thing, look at my grandma's dresser. Look how good it looks. Like honestly, so happy with how this turned out. You can see over in this corner, there's the other one. It has a little bit of wear and tear, but it's like from the 50s. So this is like very cool. I find like this was what we based the entire room around. I wanted to do something that matched it. Now, I'm not very good at like mid-century knowing what era is what. So I easily could have mixed eras, but either way, I'm just so happy with how it turned out. We've got the orange wall. You guys know I don't normally do any color, but I love this. I feel like I'm getting more into color, honestly. And I chose a navy quilt, which is interesting because I guess blue and orange are across from each other on the color wheel, so they are supposed to complement each other, but I didn't even think of that. And we've got the colorful rug. Over in this corner, we have this little poof that I actually bought for a different video, but it ended up working here. A little hangy vine. This is actually fake, but I think it's really cute, and I think it like finishes off this corner. But all together, I'm very happy with how it worked out. I'm happy we could use my grandma's old furniture, and also I'm happy we could transform my old filming room. I'm very happy with how it turned out. Alright guys, so that is the finished room transformation. Went from my filming room that honestly was very influential on my channel to now a spare bedroom. I don't know which progression is better. I personally liked it as my filming room, but I don't need it anymore, so a spare bedroom would definitely serve a better purpose. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all the love and support. I don't know why I'm saying so much. I hope you guys are enjoying these rando videos. There's been a few on my channel as of late, so if you haven't had your fill just yet, I will link another one on the screen that you guys can click. But yeah, as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Okay, bye!